Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you remove wrinkles from hands and get baby hands without any side effects. With all natural ingredients you can get baby looking hands without wrinkles, without fine lines, and naturally. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of rice flour, يعني كتشافا الكاتا. Then add on it 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Then we need to add 1 capsule of vitamin E, and here I'm using 600 milligrams vitamin E. Now mix the ingredients very well. Once we get a cream-like paste, apply a generous amount like so on your hands and massage the hands for 5 minutes. Leave it overnight and store the rest of the remedy. It's going to last for 7 days in room temperature without it going bad. Keep using it every time you feel that your hand is not well moisturized, and apply it and leave it, my friends. It's going to get you a very natural wrinkle-free hands and without any fine lines, wrinkles, and it's super effective no matter your age.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.